Hey everybody, it's Tammy. How you doing? Wow, it's like jingle bell time, like it's fall already. I know. Can you believe it? The year is blowing by. It's fascinating. And I bet because you're a network marketer and you're an entrepreneur, you're like, the holidays. What am I going to do? What am I going to do? Well, let me say this. I have an idea for you, and I think it's going to help you and minimize the stress in your life and give you a plan of action on how to maximize your holidays to get to make money and calm yourself down and have a plan. Okay, so my name is Tammy Meridian. What do? I work with network marketers to help them build their business online step by step without the confusion and uh-oh and the stress, right? Step by step. So what do you do? How do you maximize the this season, right? Because this is the biggest selling season of the year. Well, first of all, you have to have a plan and you have to start early. Like now. So if you've got time this weekend, I highly recommend that you make your strategy for the holidays. If you're a network marketer and you have a business and you're working for, you have a product or a company that you represent, 10 to 1, they have a marketing strategy for you, right? That they've already written all the way out, probably gave you a hard copy, and you have access to. So I recommend that you jump in with both feet and take a look at that. Is everything going to apply to you and you're going to do everything? No. Pick one or two things that resonate with you and that you would enjoy doing. Okay, this is the key, that you would enjoy doing, because if you enjoy doing it, it won't feel like work. All right. And then you may add one little thing in that it makes you stretch a little bit, right? Just a tad. If your company doesn't have anything in place for you to follow, and I also recommend, let me preface this with my next statement with don't reinvent the wheel. Like, do what they say to do. If they're a reputable company, obviously they are, you're part of that. They have had success and they've did the market research. And the plan works. So follow the plan, but be true to yourself. Always be true to who you are and play your strengths, okay, and what you enjoy doing. So it may look like you love to entertain, have an open house. You decorate your house to the nines, have an open house. Pick the 3 things that you want to merchandise minimum. Maybe if you're having an open house, there's more, and then batch them. So you have 3 products that you could sell for 15, and you want to sell them for 45, 3 for 40, 3 for 40. Do it that way. Sorry about the tings and the bells. So I'm trying this. I'm always working on some new equipment. Gotta find out what button I need to push there. In addition, so if you're that person, you're gonna have an open house. Okay, maybe that's not your jam. It's just not your thing. That's totally a-okay. Maybe you prefer to work online. All right, so you put together several great pic collages or pictures of your products, and you also maybe do little short videos. Okay, with those as well. Maybe you love to do, you're crafty and you love making baskets. How about an executive gift giving service? Think of the people that you know that are in business that you can call and offer them an opportunity to make their Christmas buying for their staff or their significant others, family and friends, easy. Make it simple for them, right? Write this down, like put it pen to paper, what your strategy is, and then put it in your calendar. And think about how you're going to merchandise. Pick the products that you want to merchandise and put them together so that you know the supplies that you're going to need to merchandise them. Put that on the calendar as well. Try to use things around your house. Look on Pinterest for ideas about what's popular and what's selling, and then yet again, put the round peg in the round hole. You be you and do what works for you. I recommend you get your strategy down in the month of September, start to execute in October. You're sending out save the dates in October for whatever you're doing. You may want to do a trunk show and decorate your car and just go around to your friends and your customers and show them what you have. Yet again, save the date, so they put it on the calendar. And remember, you're a professional reminder. You want to get in there and you want to remind them that you're going to be coming around on Saturday such and such and showing your wares, right? And then also Also, maximize Pink Weekend. Pink Weekend. So they have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? If you have a huge customer base, go for all three. If you have a medium-sized customer base, like 100, maybe do 2 days. If you've got less than 100, do 1 day and maximize that day. Set out, save the dates, get all of your posting ready, get all of your videos ready, get your merchandising ready, and order your product. Okay, because things run out during the holidays. They run out. So you want to order your product as well. And yet again, if your company has something already in place that you could follow, make your life simple and do that, because they know what they're doing, or else you wouldn't have signed your agreement, right? Okay, I hope that was helpful. If you found this helpful, share it with your team. You know, copy the link and share it with your team. Put it on your page. Smash the like button and the subscribe button. I'm here every Thursday at 12 o'clock just to give you some tips to keep it simple and how to run a successful network marketing business online. Have a great one.